Hello friends, so I'm Dr. Haror, your hair transplant surgeon. So I am with Mr. Bharat today. We had planned a hair transplant procedure for him almost 6 months back with almost 3500 grafts. And as we can see, after 6 months, he is here to assess the results, to see the transformation. So let's have a quick chat. So hi Bharat, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you so much. So what were your expectations before the procedure and have they been met?
So, doctor, first of all, thank you for the great services offered by clinic, and I can, the expectations I set for this clinic was to, have good hairs because I had been facing hair loss from my genetical thing. So I wish that I could have great hairs, but eventually they were not met due to the generational things, and that's why I connected to Dr. Haror clinic, and they guided me well about the procedures, and surgery was very great flow in my hand in the surgery you had just done. So yes, the expectations are purely met, and also recovery is going great, and yes, everything is just awesome.
Thank you. So, how is your confidence affected after the hair transplant as compared to what it was on the previous?
Correct. So I can share my recent example where before transplant, I'm a traveler actually. I'm a travel freak,
Yeah,
so I used to travel a lot. I track a lot, so if you're tracking and you're going traveling places in the world and you're not clicking pictures,
Then what's the point?
it's a pointless thing to do. So I was just afraid of getting late because earlier I used to have great hairs, long ones, and then now suddenly facing around 70% of my hairs were I lost them, and it was patchy, bald, and everything. So I was just afraid to getting late. But after getting the surgery past 6 months before, and now I went to a party where all my friends, they were shocked to see my hairs, and they were saying, "Come, let's have some good pics," and also that just boosted my confidence.
Great to hear that. Because I can recall when I saw your first picture, you were showing your earlier pictures.
Correct.
You had long hair.
Correct. Yes.
Good. So you
Yes.
can grow them long to any extent.
Yeah.
You
Surely.
can go back to whatever stage you were.
Correct.
Just one more question.
Mhm.
How was the recovery process? Do you feel any pain, discomfort, anything related to this?
So, if I be true on this thing, I was afraid, before the surgery because I had heard a lot of rumors that even one of my friend told me that he got some hair treatments and he was facing a lot of hair pain and lot of things he gave me as a rumors. But then I met with you and had a brief session. You explained me thoroughly what you are going to do with my transplant surgery. So yes, I can say that the surgery was smooth, painless, and I can surely say on this camera that yes, anyone can have and come here and have a brief session with you and have the surgery. It's just simple and very soothing one experience.
Great. Thank you. So these results are just 50 to 60% of what we are expecting. Full results are visible after 1 year to almost 12 months. So let's hope for the best results.